Most riders think they're in control of their bikes, but the truth is your habits are secretly controlling you. You see, riding a motorcycle isn't just about balance, throttle, and clutch. It's about the tiny little actions you repeat without even realizing it. Those actions, those habits, decide whether you'll ride like a master or crash like a fool. And here's the scary part. The most dangerous habits aren't the obvious ones. They're the ones you don't even notice you're making. The ones that feel comfortable, the ones that feel natural. And that's exactly why they're destroying your riding skills. Slowly, silently, every single time you get on the bike. Now, I want you to ask yourself this. Are you actually improving every time you ride? Or are you just repeating the same mistakes over and over until they've become second nature? Because here's the brutal reality: most riders don't get better with time. They only get better at repeating their bad habits. That's why even after years of riding, some people still look shaky, still stall, still panic in tight corners, and still ride like beginners. But here's the twist: you don't have to be one of them. If you can spot these dangerous habits now, and if you can rewire the way you ride before it's too late, you'll unlock a level of control and confidence that most riders never even touch. In this video, I'll expose the 13 most dangerous motorcycle habits that almost every rider makes. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Pay attention, because habit number 7 is the one that's probably ruining your riding more than anything else. And once you fix it, you'll feel like an entirely different rider. Habit number 1. Resting on comfort instead of control. Most riders rest their hands lazily on the handlebars, or they grip the tank with their knees only when they feel like it. But here's the truth. The moment you stop actively controlling your motorcycle starts controlling you. This comfort illusion is what makes riders sloppy in emergencies. The fix? Train your body to always stay engaged. Light grip on the bars, firm knees against the tank, arms relaxed but ready. Make control your default posture, not your reaction. Habit number 2, riding with dead eyes. You've probably heard, look where you want to go, but most riders don't do it. Their eyes wander, staring at the car in front of them, or the pothole they're afraid of hitting. That's why they still wobble in corners and miss obvious hazards. The fix? Force your eyes to become a weapon. Lock your vision on the furthest point of safety, not danger. Your bike follows your eyes, so stop feeding it fear. Habit number 3, chasing speed instead of flow. Too many riders think speed equals skill. They push harder on straights, brag about how fast they ride, but then freeze in technical turns. The ugly truth? Speed hides your weaknesses. It doesn't fix them. The fix is to ride smoothly, not quickly. Work on throttle control, braking, and balance at lower speeds. Mastery is measured in control, not in miles per hour. Habit number 4, riding on autopilot. Ever realized you don't even remember the last 10 minutes of your ride? That's because your brain slips into autopilot. It feels safe, but it's deadly, because one split second of missed awareness can end everything. The fix is to practice active riding. Narrate hazards in your head, scan mirrors, predict mistakes other drivers will make. Turn riding into a conscious practice, not a lazy cruise. Habit number 5, lazy clutch work. Here's where beginners and veterans both fail. They either ride with fingers always on the clutch, or they slam it like a switch. This bad clutch habit creates jerky starts, missed gears, and panic stalls. The fix? Treat your clutch like a dimmer switch, not an on-off button. Smooth, gradual engagement gives you balance, precision, and total control of your bike's power. Habit number 6, ignoring body position. Most riders sit stiff, like passengers on their own bikes. They lean late, shift their weight wrong, and then wonder why the bike feels unstable. The fix? Stop fighting the bike and start dancing with it. Lean with your chest, drop your shoulder, and guide your weight into the turn. Your motorcycle is begging you to flow with it. You just have to stop resisting. Habit number 7, braking like a coward. The habit that ruins most riders. This is the habit that destroys more riders than anything else. Most people either slam the brakes in panic or avoid using the front brake altogether. Both are deadly. The truth? The front brake is your strongest ally, but only if you trust it. The fix is practice controlled front brake pressure in safe environments until your brain stops panicking. Train your hands to trust that smooth squeeze, not the death grip slam. Once you master this, your entire riding confidence transforms. Habit number 8, riding too close, tailgating. Everyone knows it's dumb, yet almost every rider does it without realizing it. That 1 second of lost space is all it takes to end in a collision. The fix? Always double your following distance compared to cars. Think of it like buying time. You're literally purchasing survival with space. Habit number 9. Forgetting mental state. Bad day? Angry? Distracted? Many riders still hop on the bike anyway, but your mental state directly controls your reaction time, decision-making, and patience. The fix? Make a rule. If your head isn't clear, your ride doesn't start. Riding is not therapy, it's execution. Habit number 10. Riding like a lone wolf. Too many riders act like the road revolves around them. They ignore traffic patterns, don't anticipate what other drivers are doing, and assume visibility will save them. Wrong. The fix? Ride as if you are invisible. Predict every car as if it's out to hit you. You'll start anticipating mistakes before they happen. That's not paranoia, it's survival intelligence. Habit number 11. Overconfidence with gear. A lot of riders think gear makes them invincible. Yes, gear saves lives, but gear is not skill. It doesn't make you brake faster, lean sharper, or ride smarter. The fix is to treat gear as your last line of defense, not your first. Skill comes from training. Protection comes from gear. Never confuse the two. Habit number 12. Riding without practice. Here's the cold truth. Most riders stop practicing the moment they get their license. They think riding is practice. It's not. Riding builds habits, good or bad, but practice builds skills. The fix? Regular drills. Emergency braking in an empty lot. Slow speed figure eights. Corner entry rehearsals. Practice turns you from just a rider into a master. Habit number 13. Forgetting that riding is war. This is the ultimate dangerous habit. Treating riding like fun and games. Riding is war against distraction, traffic, physics, and your own laziness. If you forget that, you lose. The fix is mindset. Every time you throw a leg over your bike, remind yourself, this ride is survival training. Treat every second as serious, because it island. And now you know the truth. These 13 habits are silently shaping your riding future, either into mastery or into disaster. The real question is, which side are you on right now? Be honest with yourself. How many of these habits are you guilty of? 1, 5, maybe all 13? Don't just sit there and pretend you're perfect. We both know you've got at least a few of them haunting your rides. Drop your number in the comments, because trust me, you're not the only one. And hey, if habit number 7 is the one that exposed you the most, don't be shy about admitting it. That single fix could change your entire riding life. So go ahead, confess below. Riders respect honesty, not fake confidence. Before you leave, remember this. Every view without a like is basically another rider ignoring their training. Don't be that guy. Smash the like button, subscribe if you actually care about leveling up, and share this with your riding buddies, especially the ones who think they're flawless. Because let's be real, they're usually the worst.